students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone, and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any questions, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 8 history, our past, third part, chapter 1, how, when and where. The first question is, state whether true or false. James Mill divided Indian history into three periods, Hindu, Muslim, Christian. That is false. Official document help us understand what the people of the country think. False. The British thought surveys were important for effective administration. True. Second question, what is the problem with the periodization of Indian history that James Mill offers? The problem with the periodization of Indian history that James Mill offers is the superiority of British shown over Hindu and Muslims. James Mill has put Indian history into three periods, Hindu, Muslim and British, claiming that it was necessary to introduce European manners, arts, institutions and laws in India. James Mill's view had several defects given below. He thought that all Asian societies were at a low level of civilization when compared to Europe. According to his telling of history, before the British came to India, Hindu and Muslim deposed ruled the country. Religious intolerance, caste taboos and superstitions practices dominated social life before the British came to India. Next, why did the British preserve official documents? British had preserved official documents because they thought if they write and record everything, it will later be easier for them to study them and debate. They kept official records of what they thought was right, so that in the future those records can serve as a proof of all the decisions that they had taken. Next, how will the information historians get from old newspapers be different from that found in police reports? The nature of information that the historians get from old newspapers and police reports can be entirely different. Typically, a historian will collect information from a wide variety of sources that includes both official and unofficial documents. The police reports comes from an administrative viewpoint, and the types of details that we can obtain from them are often restricted. A police report is strictly confined to the procedures and is concerned with the record keeping rather than building a narrative. Journalism and reporting tools follow a different approach that might bring out the finer details about an event or a happening. Often, police reports might oversee or neglect information that does not directly serve the function of law enforcement. Being a mass media, newspapers provide more drawbacks, context, and elaborate descriptions. But the relative merits and accuracy of a piece of information from any source can only be determined after proper research and investigation. For getting a balanced and clearer picture of a period in history, historians often go through as many sources as possible, while keeping in mind the basis and interest that could be behind them. So this was chapter 1 of NCERT solution for class 8 history. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.